Man, I can't believe that I got grounded for skipping school to go to the Krusty Krab. What should I do? I'm going to smash Melody Amble and her friend's vending machine. Ha. I'm going to smash them. 3.2.1. Yes, I did. I now smash Melody Amble and her friend's vending machine, so yeah, screw it.
Where have you been?
Dad, guess what? I smash Melody Amble and the rest of the girls, even his boyfriend Louis. I smash the vending machine.
Son, I can't believe that you smashes Melody Amble and the rest of their friends' vending machine. They can't choose what to drinks whatever they want. Also, you're grounded for 369 weeks. Go to your room now.
Worst.